So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can mute a person from the server that you have been created on Discord. You can do the same process from smartphones as well, and for this video I'm going to open my Discord account on my Windows PC, and you can do the same process on the web version of Discord as well. So first of all you have to do is to just simply open the Discord in any platform you are comfortable with or you have been access to, and this is the home page. You have been familiar with this, on the left side you're going to find all the server that you have been joined in. Now you have to first select the server of which you want to mute a person. For example, if I select this server, now here on the left top corner you're going to find the name of that particular server. When you click there, you're going to find an option of server settings over there. When you click there, now you are in the settings of this particular server only. Here on the left window you need to scroll down until you find an option of members. You're going to see on the user management section it says members. When you click there, here all the members list are going to be there in front of you, where all the members are joined into this particular server. Now you have to be first you first have to be the owner of the server in order to mute a person. For example, if I'm the owner of the server, now if I want to mute someone, I just simply click the three dots in front of their name. When I click there, you're gonna see this option mute. And when you enable this, if person sends some mails or some messages or some voice notes on the group, nobody is going to be notified by that until they open the software or open their account of Discord. So by this method you can easily mute a person from Discord. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting videos. See you in the next one. Take care.